Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to log in to your Bumble account. If you've recently signed up for a new account on Bumble but you don't know how to log into it, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To log into Bumble, make sure you've created an account first. Now let's get started. Tap Open a Bumble application from your smartphone, and from the first interface of Bumble, you can see that there are two options displayed on the screen. You can either log in using your Facebook account or using your mobile number. This depends on how you've chosen to sign up for your Bumble account. If you signed up using the Facebook, you can tap on the Facebook option. If you used your mobile number, tap on Use Mobile Number. In my case, I've signed up using my mobile number, so let me tap on Use Mobile Number option and you'll end up in the next page. You'll need to enter the phone number that is associated with the Bumble account. Type it in the phone number text box. Now, at the bottom right, tap on the next arrow button. You'll need to verify your number to make sure that this number belongs to you. Tap on OK in order to receive a verification code. Once you receive the code, you'll need to type it in the text box. The code will be sent to your mobile number, so if you have the correct phone number, there should be no problem receiving the code. After you're done, tap on the next button in the bottom right in black, and as you can see that, I've been logged in to my account. It's pretty simple and easy, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.